everyone, welcome to my channel. So I am done with my flip out desserts pastry folio. If any of y'all have a better name, please share it with me so that I can list it that way. I'm not sure what to call it. I had not planned on tying it up, but as y'all can see, it is just way too chunky not to. It won't stay together unless I have it tied up. It stays together. It just wants to, this just keeps it a little more neat. Okay, so first I want to share with y'all the gummy bear on the bulb pin. I think that is just so cute. I did share with y'all part 1 of this video, so some of this y'all have seen before, but I can't quite remember what. But anyway, so part 2. We have some crystals down here, a bunch of lace and ribbons flowing, just flowing. And let me see here. Can y'all see that? So much deliciousness. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I know that y'all saw this, and I just still love this lace trim with all of these sequins and pearls on it. And I don't know if y'all can, if that comes across in the camera, but up underneath this little collage that I made here is this piece of lace that is just covered in pearls and sequins, and I love it. And I tucked a little tag in here with some pretty shimmery glitter and the cutest little lace. Got a little couple of yummies stuck in there. In case y'all didn't see my other video, that is how the very first page looks. And of course, plenty of room always for y'all to add more. This, one of my all-time favorite laces trim ever. And I'm now about out. Esme, help, I need more. But can't do more until I go back to work this fall. Okay, second page. Again, I know that y'all saw this, so let's see what I added. How cute is this cloche bakery cake stand? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Got an ice cream. And I did a little peekaboo card here. Thought that is so cute. So, for those of y'all that watched the first video, y'all saw this already. Okay. This is my doily page. Stacked chock full of paper doilies, cotton doilies, doilies, and more and more and more doilies. There are numerous tuck spaces over here. Numerous. Y'all can definitely add more of your own touches if you want. I have some tickets here that I printed out from I can never say the name of that shop, but I will put the link in the description. Meja shop. I believe I said that right. So there's that without the tickets. Okay, so let's come over to this side. Got a belly band here holding some macaroons, and I made another little miniature journal, and I just love that bow with the little rhinestone heart on it. I think it's so cute. A little teapot with an applique, and also I've done some dessert dish, goodie dish stamping in here on the pages. So I think that is adorable. Okay. On to the middle upper, and how cute is that cake plate? How cute is this little shaker cake plate? I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It is too stinking cute. Little journal card. A root beer float. And how cute is that? Little journaling card. And recipe for an icebox cake. This is made out of a Rolodex. Oh, wait, another card here. A recipe card. This is made out of a Rolodex card. I did some collaging on that. Get in there. That is too cute. Too cute. Okay, we're going to go here to this bottom piece now. I'm trying to do it in a certain order so I don't get confused or miss anything. Ribbon here. Look at this collaging. One of my favorite pieces of collaging in this little mini folder flip out. I just love this page. And I've got a couple little tiny journaling cards here from the Prima Dulce collection, one of my all-time very favorite collections. All right, let's not flip that out yet. Let's go up here. I hope that I'm in frame. Let me check just to see. Okay, I am. Got some embossing here, some more collaging with the sweetest little shimmery glitter hearts and some fairy dust glitter up here as well, lining it. Love that texture. Let's see here. There we go. A bunch of little journaling cards. Pretty cards. Again, from the Prima Dulce collection. I wanted that to stay closed when you had it, you know, when you were opening up, and so those cards would stay. So I did do some Velcro there. There we go. All right, let's look at the middle. Y'all, gosh, look at that. From Esme's Crafty Me Shop and applique. I could stare at it all day. I don't know if the shimmer is coming through on camera, but there is major shimmer, and it's just beautiful. And I love this paper doily, heart doily. I've got a recipe card tucked in there. And down here, as y'all can see, I've got a little tiny bingo card. How cute is that? All right, here I've got some pockets. A little journaling card. I love that little fairy elf. I love it. I think it's just so pretty. Okay. It is time to flip it to see what's on the back and then start the other side. I want to keep all this together, so bear with me. Okay, the back is even done as well, so there's not a place on here that's just not pretty. Everything is pretty. I did a napkin decoupage on an envelope, and so that's how this was done. Got a really pretty journaling card in there. Lamisia shop. I did that one pretty good. Love her prints. Okay, we'll come back to this. I'm going to now start here and do it in the same order. So, first, y'all, how cute is that banner? How cute is that banner? This was inspired by Jennifer Stevens of A Trace of Sparkle. Where are my scissors? Got a little stray piece of Sorry Silk here. There we go. Don't want that. This was inspired by her. I honestly don't remember what hers was, what she used hers for, or exactly how hers looked or how she did it, but I was inspired by hers. And I think because I couldn't get these little Tim Holtz clips out of my mind, and I've had these for a million years. I'm almost out, in fact, but I just never thought of using them this way. So this banner is held on with these tiny little Tim Holtz clips. And this is my banner, each with a little pastry dessert in the center. And I do not remember the person that I got these prints from, the place where I got these prints from. I know it was off of Etsy, but I will, again, leave y'all the link in the description. So those are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Okay. So y'all have not seen these pages. Sorry about hitting the camera there. So I've got a doily cupcake flower thing here with a really vibrant pink brooch. Some of my favorite trim. Love that trim. How cute is that? A little canning jar. The cutest little button. I put some burlap up there and tied it on. Okay, open up and let's go to this side. Got a little journaling tag in this little tuck space here, and candy colored applique, some lace. Yeah, I didn't show y'all the lace work and beading on this side hanging out. Hopefully y'all saw it when I did the lift the other way. But we've got beads, I've got sequin trim, the cutest little blue flowers, baby blue, so pretty. So applique here, got some little rhinestones there, and those colors, I just love them. Okay, let's go over here. Another one of my favorite, there we go, collage pages. I love this carousel horse. Love this carousel horse. So, got a little doily tuck space here. Let's see what's in here. Look at that. It's so pretty. We got a little shaker cupcake. I love that. So cute. And another Prima Dulce journaling card in there. Over here, I've got a pocket and some fold-out journaling tickets. And yes, they are big enough that you can write on the backs of those if you choose to do so. Here's a transformed CD case, some collaging, 3D macaroon, half of a macaroon. Where is my opening to this? It's been a while since I've done it. Here we go. And yes, this is, there we go, a removable piece. for you to journal on if you choose to. I love that print. Down here, a little pocket made out of a cupcake paper holder inspired by Doreen Rock of, I can't think of it, Ooh La La Vintage. There we go. And in there, a little tag. These flowers, so cute. Okay, so let's come back up here so I can show you up underneath. This flips out, and up underneath is also a little tuck space. Wait, there we go. Okay, lace flips up, and a little recipe journaling card here. And here I've got a belly band. And the prettiest, sweetest little tag. One of the prettiest, I think, that I've ever made. I love this tag. I want to kiss it. I want to eat it off a spoon. Do y'all ever feel that way about anything? Am I the only weird one with this? I just love this tag. I could just stare at it and stare at it and stare at it. So many layers. So many pretty colors. My dog is doing his morning coughing. He's on heart medication. The vet said that's why he does that. I love that tag. Pretty fluffy ribbon. Down here in these pockets, let me make sure I'm in frame again. Let me pull it up a little bit. There we go. That should be good. Yeah, okay. I've got a little snippet piece that I made, a little bit of collaging pockets, and just some really pretty tags. Paco, calm down, baby boy. Okay. So what is on the back of this? On the back of this, I have some really delicate lace and a pretty little pink bow, and made it into a pocket. And in the pocket is another little journal, little gumball bead on the bottom, and some more of that really beautiful lace with the sequins and the pearls. I love that. Oh my goodness, I do. And I did do some more stamping in here as well. You've got some lace dyed papers. Love it, love it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed watching that. I hope that you were inspired. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And if you are interested in purchasing this, it is in my Etsy shop. And whoever does get it, I hope that you love it as much as I do. I love this little folio. And again, y'all, leave me a better name in the comments. Until next time, y'all take care.